Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I bring the Poly Sync 20. We're going to take a look at it. It's a wireless speaker, a mic, and we're going to take a look at it, see how well it works, and see if it's well worth it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So first of all, look at it, USB out right off the top of it. They give the actual carrying case for the speaker, and it's chargeable too. And I'm going to show you a couple things you can do with it, and then a little handle that you can handle and instructions how to set it up. That's about it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So first of all, you got this handle here. I'm going to start with this, removing here, unlocking it here, and see how well it looks. Look at that. Beautiful little speaker. It's all set up. There's a charging station here. It comes with the charging ready to go. I mean, actually, it's not magnetic. There's some grips in there. Actually, that's what it is. So you charge this through actual USB, and that's pretty much it. So when you charge it, let's get a USB here charging. Get a USB battery. I got a USB battery. We're gonna plug it in. See how well it charges. See how it looks like when you charge it. We have charging, and it's charging right now. I don't have an indication. There it is. There's a little light going on now that indicates that you're charging. This is a speaker and a mic, and you can stretch this out pretty far if you guys can see it, about maybe 3 or 4 feet, of distance. And then, of course, you got your plus, minus, and then you got your phone here. And all right, let's continue a little bit more on the side of it right here. There's a Bluetooth connection, so you really don't need that USB. You can do this Bluetooth. And then you have here an extra charging area where you plug in your phone, you want to charge. You can use this as a charging station too. Then you have your power, of course, in here. Right now we are charging it. You can actually see a light charging it, and we're pretty much setting up, and it's fully charged as it is. So we're gonna get rather USB that I put down here. You see that USB? I'm gonna get a computer. Easy. I like that they give you the actual bag instead. This is a great feature that they give you the bag too. All right, and once you put it away, I just discovered there is a little pocket here. It's a little hidden pocket. Let me move this out of the way. It's a little hidden pocket that you can put your USB in here, and that's where you actually go in there. And in fact, there was a little piece of paper sticking out with a little flag saying USB goes here. So that's another thing, but it's a little tight. So let's go ahead and put it in there. And if you can see it, it's well fit in there. Let's see. Yeah, it's a fit in there. And then what you do is you get your speaker and you put it in there. So 3 different ways. I like the pocket. This is a plus that comes with it. 3 different ways you can plug this.
PC connected.
It's PC connected. So it tells you audio, and then move the instructions. Get this going. Minimize. All right, so we're going to test it out. As you can see, the actual audio mic is right next to me. If I could hit it. There's a mute button. I'm going to hit mute. When you mute it, then you could hear a little beeping sound when it mutes, and then it turns red too. So that's not bad. I like the quality of it. You can make a phone call here directly to dial, but you have to have it in the actual Teams or a Zoom call in order to hit that. You could hang up from here too. This is dialing, hanging up pretty much. You got your volume up, your volume down. There's a beeping sound to it, and of course, quality of it is pretty good. USB, you could use it with the USB if you want, the actual dongle, or you could connect directly. You could use it Bluetooth, which you hold down the Bluetooth button here, and you can identify it by looking for the Poly system, and it's very simple to set up. I'm seeing it, it's pretty high. So we're gonna do another test, surround sound, see if I could put a crowd around me, how well it will sound like. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're gonna record. I'm actually recording from the Poly, not from the computer. We're gonna put the audio on the phone. I'm playing the audio from MP3 pretty much. That's pretty much a crowd. So if you have crowd closer to the mic, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Say you're in a crowded room and people are talking or clapping. This is how it's pretty much gonna sound. I'm not sure it's going to capture more of my voice or more of the crowd. So I'm putting it right here, right next to me when I'm talking. I can see it. It's not picking up as much as it needs to, but it's working pretty well. Hopefully the test
helped you guys out. Hopefully the test helped you guys out just to make up your mind if you're going to put this in the middle room. Right now it's high. It's high. So if I put it like maybe a foot away or two, 1, 2, 3, I'm like a hand reach away from the system. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put it right next to me too. I like that it has a green light. It changes color. There's three options of connecting it. One, you could use the wire itself. Two, you could use a USB dongle, and three, you could use Bluetooth. So nice little device. And if you have a nice conference room that's not too large, and you need something right off the front, easy to set up, this could be it. Now, the only bad thing is that you have your cable set up in the back. I wish they had something for the actual USB so it won't get lost, and that would be a better thing. And the mic, the mic and the headset. I mean, the mic and the speaker are pretty loud. I am very impressed with this. So not bad. You could do a lot of great things with it. Three options, and on top of that, if you ever run out of battery on your phone, you can always charge it from within here. And then, like I said, you could hang up, make phone calls, easy to use. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.